If you want to become a high-value man and truly stand out, leading her is non-negotiable. You have got to take the lead. When you lead, it changes the entire dynamic, and she'll respect and be more attracted to you. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 reasons why you should be leading her in every aspect of your relationship. Stick around because the last reason is the game changer. 1. Women want to feel secure. Women are naturally attracted to men who provide a sense of security. When you lead, it shows that you are confident and capable, which makes her feel safe and comfortable around you. Whether it's planning a date or making bigger life decisions, your ability to take charge reassures her. Women want to know they can rely on you to handle situations. This doesn't mean controlling her, but leading with confidence. And when she feels secure, it strengthens her attraction towards you. 2. She will respect you more. A woman's respect for a man comes from his ability to lead with direction and purpose. When you step up and make decisions, she respects your confidence and ability to guide the relationship. Leading doesn't mean being controlling. It means showing you have a clear vision for where things are going. A man who leads earns respect because he's taking responsibility, and that respect naturally deepens her attraction. Without respect, attraction fades quickly, so leading is essential. 3. It creates attraction. Attraction is closely tied to leadership. When you take the lead, you demonstrate confidence, which is one of the most attractive traits to women. Women love men who can make decisions and stick to them. This also eliminates uncertainty, which kills attraction. By leading, you show decisiveness, which makes the relationship more exciting and dynamic. Confidence and leadership creates the foundation of attraction, keeping her interested and wanting more from you. 4. You set the tone for the relationship. When you lead, you set the tone and direction of the relationship. Without leadership, the relationship can feel stagnant or aimless. By taking control, you create a sense of purpose and structure. You decide the pace at which things progress, the goals you work towards, and how you spend time together. This does not only ensures the relationship grows, but it also shows that you are serious about what you want. A clear direction leads to stronger connection and understanding. 5. You control the frame. This is probably the most important reason, and a concept most guys don't fully understand. When you lead, you control the frame of the relationship. By doing this, you maintain your masculine polarity, and she stays attracted to you. If you let her take the lead, you'll end up following her frame, which weakens your position. When you control the frame, you are not just steering the relationship, but you are also ensuring you maintain the masculine energy that keeps the dynamic balanced. That is the key to avoiding a power struggle and maintaining her attraction. These are the reasons every man must take the lead in his relationship. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.